Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Finding affordable legal help is easier than you might think, and today I'm showing you how to use a legal aid app to connect with free lawyers. Step 1. Download the Legal Aid app from your phone's App Store. Search for Legal Aid or Free Lawyer and look for official nonprofits. Make sure it has good reviews and is verified. Step 2. Create your account by entering basic information like your name, email, and location. This helps match you with lawyers in your area who actually handle cases there. Step 3. Complete the eligibility questionnaire honestly. Most free legal services have income limits, so answer questions about your household earnings and expenses accurately. This determines if you qualify. Step 4. Select your case type from categories like family law, housing, employment, or immigration. Be specific about your legal issue because this helps the app assign you to the right attorney. Step 5. Submit your case details and wait for attorney review. Include dates, names, and important documents when uploading. Most apps show you a timeline for when you'll hear back, usually within days. The app also tracks your case status so you always know what's happening next.